Hello and welcome to Derek McGuire's Week 8 coding assignment video. This week we had to build a menu application and have one array, two classes, and have a menu that creates, views, and deletes items. So, getting into it in here, this is the JavaScript file that I have. I got an HTML file in the same workspace, essentially, same folder that has this HTML, which has the JavaScript code to run it. And so I wanted to focus on the JavaScript code itself here, and I'm going to run what we have. So just to show it working from the user experience, I'm going to exit the vocabulary menu. Thanks for reading, goodbye. I'm going to reload, and now I can show create new vocabulary term, and let's just say CSS is a term. I can display all the vocabulary terms. See, it's 0, just like an index of an array. I can create another one, let's say HTML. I can display those. Now let me delete the first one and show again. I've got CSS, so HTML is gone. Now I'm going to view a vocabulary term specifically. Got this CSS is the vocabulary term. I'm going to add a definition, cascading style sheets. Okay. And this is a part of speech. I'm going to call this a noun. So now I go view this, 0. You can see here CSS, cascading style sheets, part of speech is a noun. And I can click OK, or I can just hit 0 here and go back. So create another term, let's say JavaScript, and then view vocabulary term. I'm going to call it 1. And then I can add a new definition, a dynamically typed programming language. Adjective, I don't know. And then I'm going to view again. This one you can see it added. I'm going to add another definition, programming language. And let's just call this a verb for fun. And now I can view that. I'm going to do that. And I can see both that. So now I'm going to delete a definition. Delete the first definition. It just does it. Go to 1. And now we have the 1 definition again. Okay, exit the menu. Thanks for reading, and back to the HTML page. It says reload if you want to see that again. Okay, so 2 classes. Well, we got 3 classes actually, but I've got a class for the definitions, because the definitions have the definition, a description, and then the part, like noun, adjective, verb. The class is defined here in these curly braces. You've got a constructor with 2 parameters, and then this keyword passes in the parameter and defines it as a variable specifically for this constructor, which is used in this class. And then the describe method is defined to return the parameterized variables here with a text, which you could see in the application actually. So create a new vocabulary term, let's just call it HTML, and then view it. I think that's 1, and then, oops, about 0. Yeah, that's right, because I restarted the program, and then anyway, so the, running out of time here. So, actually, I'm going to add a definition, HTML, I'm just going to call it HTML again, and then noun, and you can see view vocabulary term, 0, part of speech, that's where this part is here, it's showing up here. Okay, that's the classes. So there's arrays. You got the definitions fill an array, and that's accessed throughout the program through the methods. And then there's another array with the words themselves. So the array of definitions is sort of connected to the array of words. Words are like the parent, and the definitions are like the children, sort of, in a way. And basically that's it. The create, view, and delete are done with methods. My code is on GitHub, so thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great rest of your week.